Imagine a vast, silent ocean of raw energy. This is the parent vacuum, a place with no stars, no light, and no time. It exists outside everything. Inside this ocean, a tiny fluctuation occurs, like a bubble forming in boiling water. That bubble freezes, going from liquid energy to solid reality, and our universe is born. Inside our bubble, space stretches and cools. Time begins to flow. Galaxies spin, stars ignite, and at the heart of our own Milky Way, a massive black hole, Sagittarius A*, sits like a heavy seed. This black hole bends everything around it. It twists space and slows down time, just like gravity should. If you flew close to it and looked outward, the entire universe would warp into a tiny, bright ring, and you would watch billions of years of the future flash before your eyes in seconds. But our black hole is tiny. Out there in the cosmos are ultramassive ones, billions of times heavier. And if you do the math, even our entire observable universe fits the exact size of a black hole. That means we are likely living inside a giant black hole right now. And that giant black hole is inside another universe, which lives inside another black hole, and on forever. It is an infinite Russian doll of nesting realities. Now, imagine the very far future. All the stars burn out. The black holes slowly evaporate. Inside our bubble, everything reaches the exact same temperature. Nothing moves anymore. Time freezes solid, just like water turning to ice. It is the heat death of all things. The story seems over. But in the apparent void outside time, a cosmic vibration stirs. This is the Big Bounce, a quantum hum that shakes the frozen solid universe. This vibration is faster than space and time, and it exists everywhere and nowhere at once. It carries no mass, just a pure potential. When it hits, the ice cracks. The frozen block of time shatters, and all the locked-up information, every particle, every human thought, every ghostly memory of what was, releases into the quantum vacuum. That release is like a liquid springing back to life. The solid turns to liquid again. The old bubble collapses into a single, infinite point. Then, it explodes outward in a new Big Bang. A fresh bubble universe is born. It forms its own galaxies, its own central black holes, and its own life. And that new universe will one day freeze solid, too, just to be vibrated back to life by another cosmic kick. This cycle has no start and no end. The black holes nest inside each other forever. The bubbles freeze and shatter and freeze again. Every time the vibration hits, it sends us tumbling into a larger black hole or bouncing us into a brand new universe. Our own minds, which can imagine all of this in an instant, might someday dissolve into that final quantum foam, spreading everywhere that nothingness exists. So, who knows? Maybe we have already been hit by that vibration an infinite number of times. Maybe this conversation is just one frozen frame in an endless crystal, waiting for the next shake to wake it up again. The story never truly ends, it just changes state, from liquid to solid and back again, trapped in the cradle of an eternal, infinite Russian doll.